has replied.
You expected that I should have billed her now, and that is why you thought I do not know about it. Lucy, you have messed yourself up. By the time I release the information I have about you, nobody will talk about you again.
So, he knew about the arrest. How come he allowed her to sleep overnight at the station? Are you sure he's not suspecting that I have him followed? What information is he even talking about? Maybe he's just trying to scare me.
You have to look for a way to tell our father that what Ntoli said about Lucy is the truth.
There is a proof. Actually, I've sent a lawyer friend to bail her. She will give me the evidence as soon as she comes out.
Oh, really? I'm still thinking why Nkoli is selling her friend out.
I have no idea.
Then we have to find out.
I'm only concerned on the evidence. Let her give me the evidence first. I have just 6 days left to prove to our parents that Lucy is not who they think she is.
I wonder why her father knew all this, yet he still wants you to marry his daughter.
He's a muggle. Well, that's a story for another day. By the time I'm through with Lucy, she will know that she's a very big muggle. Nkoli must have been out by now. I will see her once I'm back to our community. Tonight, I'm going to end everything that concerns Lucy in my life. I really need a new life.
Went to Amenu community. What for? You know what? Just keep following him. I'm sure Nkoli must have gone there to hide. I'll call you back.
Good afternoon, Lucy.
What are you doing here? Oh, I see he must have bailed you.
Lucy, you have drawn the battle line. You have done yours. Mine is next.
Is that a threat?
Not just a threat, but a promise. Lucy, if you think you will marry Prince Udona, then you are making a very big mistake.
How dare you? How dare you come to my house to say rubbish? Do you want me to get you arrested the second time?
You will pay dearly for this slap. And for so many other things you have done to me in a manner you never expected, Lucy.
I'm not your class. Go look for your class. Now get out!
We shall know what a real class looks like when the time comes.
Get out of my house.
You You are going down, Lucy.
Get out of my house!
Down, Lucy.
Get out! Rubbish!
She's a drug addict. She's a drug addict. She's hot but very risky. Very risky. She's a drug.
Thanks for coming.
Oh, Mama, come on. I should be the one to thank you for your hospitality and all the local delicacies you've been serving me each time I come here.
Sorry about that, but that's the one we can afford.
Mama, I just said I love it, okay? I wish I can be having it in my house like all the time.
Don't worry. When next you come, I will prepare it for you.
That's nice. Mama, please, if you don't mind, can I have a word with Masnach?
Oh, sure. I will excuse both of you. Greet your people for me, oh?
Sure.
Bye.
I know you're wondering what's on my mind, right?
I'm listening.
I know it might sound crazy. But I just have to say it. Please. Be my wife, Masinachi. You are my dream woman. You have taken part of me. Please don't say no.
How can you ask me to marry you? I don't even know you too well.
I will tell you all you need to know about me. Just ask me anything. I will tell you. Please don't say no.
Excuse me.
I will not be alive to see any man in this village marry Mercy. It will not happen. Oh, man, come here, there. Can you imagine? Because I don't have a car. That's why the mother is treating me anyhow. Hey! I'm going to have a oh, Mercy. Here they are poor of Fugamen at this village. Here they are poor of Fugamen.
What is it?
I'm alright. Good afternoon, first of all.
Good afternoon. So, what is it, Odinaka?
Well, I'm fine. Not in short. Nine, I'm not alright.
Hey, because I've made alright.
Nine, one Mercy for me. One her. Let her not try me. Let her not try me. Oh, nine.
Odinaka, what is the problem now? Let her not try you. What
Nine, let her not try me in this village. Oh, Nine. Awukwange. If she tries me in this village, two, Ofugeme. And Nine. Order.
What is all this? Let her not try me. What is wrong with this Masinachuku? Something must have happened in this house in my absence. That car that just drove past must have been the car of that same man that knocks on us. Odinaka must have seen that car and got out. Let me just get inside. Let me.
He says he wants to marry me.
He did?
Yes, he did.
Is that why you ran away?
It was way too sudden. Besides, we don't even know him too well.
You should have behaved more maturely instead of embarrassing him.
The truth is, I didn't know what to tell him.
Sister, who came to this house today? Sister, I just asked a simple question. Can you be an abemtad?
It wasn't a simple question. It was an insult. How can you just come out and ask me who came to our house? Eh?
Mba butwe. Masinachuku. As I was coming back to this house, I saw what is the name of that your Odinaka. He gave me a warning to give to you. He said, don't try me, yo. He repeated it 2 times that you should not try him. Masinachuku, you know the content of that message. Oh, para mama, asikwa na mekuro. Sister, because you can see that this necker is already dropping. Please, I'm going to come hungry. Please, you should come and give me food.
Did Odinaka come here?
I did not see him.
Masinachi, I have told you to disassociate yourself with that boy. I told you that. He is jobless. He has nothing to offer you. I've been warning you. Uche the way. As for what Udonna told you, we'll talk about it later in the day. Go and give your uncle food.
This love will go by heart. Aqua become a don't be satisfied. Oh, you're the child. Don't be satisfied. Oh, you're well, the understanding. Never lose.
Udonna wants to marry my daughter. But there's something about that boy that I'm trying to resolve. Each time I look at him, I remember my past. Nah, thanks for coming. Huh?
Oh, Mama, come on. I should be the one to thank you for your hospitality and all the local delicacies you've been serving me each time I come here.
Sorry about that, but that's the one we can afford.
I just said I love it, okay? I wish I can be having it in my house, like all the time.
Don't worry. When next you come, I will prepare it for you.
That's nice. Mama, please, if you don't mind, can I have a word with Masnach?
Oh, sure. I will excuse both of you. Greet your people for me, oh?
Sure.
Thank you.
Are you shy? I know you're wondering what's on my mind, right?
I'm listening.
I know it might sound crazy. But I just have to say it. Please. Be my wife, Masanachi. You are my dream woman. You have taken part of me. Please don't say no.
How can you ask me to marry you? I don't even know you too well.
I will tell you all you need to know about me. Just ask me anything. I will tell you. Please don't say no.
Excuse me.
This love I got up line.
But it's funny though. Why did she leave my hand like that? I think she was shy. Innocent girl. Well, I've made my intentions known to her. I know she must have told her mother by now.
Who is this girl who don't have visited at Amenu community? Emeka said he couldn't take pictures of her because of distance. I've not heard Udonna talk about any relation from there in that community. Why is she sending me a text message?
Hello, Lucy. How are you enjoying your evening? I will send a video clip to your phone soonest. This video will be a weapon of which I will use to destroy your marriage with Udonna. Enjoy, bestie.
What video clip is she talking about? I'm sure she's just trying to spite me. I'm very sure she doesn't have anything against me. Anyway, she should send the video. I'm waiting. Rubbish.
She must have followed us. You see why I never wanted to come to the police station?
There's no problem. The lawyer did as you instructed him to do. Thank you very much. Do you still need the proof?
Of course. I still have 5 days left to prove to my parents that Lucy is not who they think she is. If I can have the evidence now, I will end everything tonight.
Surely you will end everything. The proof you require is in here.
Okay. Let me see.
I am going to send it to you, but under one condition.
Condition?
Yes. Just one condition and you'll have the proof.
Okay. What's the condition?
My condition might sound very silly, but that is what I want.
That is not a problem. Just name your price. I'll do it. Anything you want, I'll do it.
Really? Like, you mean you can do anything?
Colin, name your price. I will do it right here and now. Just tell me your account number. I'll send it to you.
Okay. My condition goes this way. As soon as you end everything with Lucy, I want you to make me your next choice. But before that, you are going to sleep with me.
So you don't have sense. Have you lost it? I thought you're on my side. Huh? Have you lost it in calling? I thought you were on my side.
I am!
Then what are you saying?
Of course I am, Udonna. And that is why I collected the proof for you, Udonna. Udonna, I love you so much. And I desire to be your wife. Udonna, the proof is here with me. All you have to do is sleep with me tonight and swear an oath on me that you will never leave me. That you will make me your wife. And the proof will be all yours. The phone will be all yours, Udonna. You can do with it whatever you wish, Udonna. I desire to have you. Of course I am, Udonna. And that is why I collected the proof for you, Udonna. Udonna, I love you so much. All you have to do is sleep with me tonight and swear an oath on me that you will never leave me. That you will make me your wife. And the proof will be all yours. The phone will be all yours, Udonna. You can do with it whatever you wish, Udonna. I desire to have you.
She wants him to sleep with her before she can send me the proof. She said the proof is her phone. Which means if I can get hold of her phone, I will have the evidence. Time is no longer on my side. I'm out. I'm out. Do it fast. I'm out.
We have 5 days left. And we should have reached them. Everything is ready.
Yes, we are waiting.
Igwe, trust me. All the gallons of palm wine, cakes of palm wine that will be used that day, I will. I have always known you to be a cheerful giver. Oh. Thank you very much.
Yes. Greetings, my elders.
My prince. How are you?
Fine.
Son, Ichie Meze here has offered us all the palm wine. We will use all your traditional marriage there. So
yes. Thanks for that. Excuse me.
You're welcome. Chief Oranugo was here not long ago for us to perfect all the arrangements towards the wedding.
We are waiting for that day.
Your Majesty. Various cultural dance troupes, masquerades, and entertainment groups are preparing to entertain the people seriously that day. You got that day, God, if I want the whole game.
And I also know Karo will be there.
Oh, well, I know that our town will have very best of traditional dances.
Oh, you are right, Igwe. You are right, Igwe.
Oh, this is a very special old town.
Wait. Did you notice that the prince was not there? I think he is under duress to marry Oranugo's daughter.
Under duress? What do you mean by being under duress?
I think that young man is being pressurized to marry Lucy.
That? Oh, he has no choice. Igwe has the final say. Oh, yes.
Ekemeze, I pity that young man. They don't know the kind of woman they want to marry.
Terrible. But do you think we should let Igwe know about the young lady's behavior before he may be over?
Ekemeze, do you think Igwe will listen to us? Of course no, he will not.
Well, it is all right. Let Igwe have his way. For when he was idea. Mana.
What do you mean Colin wants to sleep with you?
Not only that, she says she wants us to swear an oath that I'm going to marry her.
What? Is she mad?
I swear down. She gave me the shock of my life. I couldn't believe my ears.
You see what I've been telling you? I said you should be careful with this girl. I knew it, that she's up to something.
I just don't know what to do. I'm confused right now.
You don't need to be confused. Her condition is not favorable at all.
Zara, you don't get the point here. Okay, Zara, the point is, this is the only way I can get Lucy off my way. Okay, and she said the proof is in her phone.
Her phone?
Yes. My only concern right now is to get hold of her phone. If I have the phone, then I have the proof. That's just the problem.
So what are we going to do now? I think we should invite her over to the house.
Invite her over?
Yes.
No, I don't think that would be a good idea. I don't want our parents to see her. Look, I'm only concerned on how to get that phone. We have to think how to get the phone.
Yes.
Yes.
She's a drug addict. She's a drug addict. Very risky. Very risky. She's a drug addict.
Here she comes, my daughter. My queen. My lovely wife. You're welcome. Thank you, my queen.
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Now is my son aware you're coming?
No, I just wanted to give him a surprise visit.
How nice. All right, he went out with his sister, but they will soon be back. Okay. How is your father, my in-law, doing?
Oh, he's fine.
Oh, he sent his regards.
Ah, thank you.
Let's go inside. I have a gist for you. Come.
Oh, I can't wait to hear you.
Is it ringing?
Yes. She's not answering.
Come here again. We need to find out exactly where she is.
It's ringing, but she's not picking up.
Just call. Just keep calling her.
Pick now.
No, I'm going to the market. I'll come to your house later.
Get the bitch! Get the bitch! Catch her! Catch her! Get the bitch!
He has not called since the last time he visited here. I hope he's not angry with me. My mother was right. I shouldn't have walked out on him.
What a small world.
Mama, have you heard from Udonna?
mean she's also thinking of him.
Did you hear what I said?
Yes. We haven't spoken.
I had a terrible dream about him last night. In that dream, he was in trouble. He was calling on you, but you ignored him.
I did.
Yes. He said you were the only one who could rescue him. But you ignored him.
So, did I attend to him later?
No, you did not.
Should I call him just to make sure he's alright?
Yes, you should. Go ahead. Don't be shy.
But there is a problem.
Don't be shy. Please.
I think he's angry with me over my attitude the last time he visited.
It should not stop you from calling him. Go and get your phone.
What is she doing here?
Aha! You're back already, I told you.
Yeah! Hello?
Hi.
Oh, my friends, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Lucy. How are you?
I'm fine. I've been here for a while now. All thanks to my queen. She kept me company.
Good for you.
Alright, let's go inside.
Take a call.
Yeah, I know. It's my call.
Take the call. Or is it because I'm here? Take the call.
Hi there, please can I call you back later? I'm in the middle of something, okay?
Who was that?
And how is that your business?
Who called you? You're not free to talk. Who was that? You answered the call. Who was that?
That is not your freaking business.
Calm down, son. Gosh. Calm down. Udonna. For real? Udonna, come. And you, Sarah. Sarah, come back here.
I'm with my brother.
My queen, I'm angry right now. Did you see that? Did you see how he spoke to me in your presence? At least I'm happy you witnessed everything yourself. Why did you even refuse to talk to that person? Why?
Calm down. Still calm down. Do not forget he's a man.
A man, my foot. What am I? I'm a woman. A second-degree holder. You should respect that too. I even regret coming here.
You have the guts to say that before me?
My queen, I'm sorry. It's just that Udonna is treating me. This is the way he's treating me. He's treating me anyhow. I love him. My queen, please. I'm sorry. My queen, please now.
What are we going to do? You know
You don't have time.
My colleague has not picked her call. I think she's trying to play hard on me.
She should have at least pick her call.
I have no option than to keep calling her.
Don't worry, I'll keep calling her too.
You will accompany me to Ameni tomorrow.
Ameni? What are we going there to do now?
I want you to meet Masinachi. Actually, I've proposed to her, but she's yet to give me an answer.
Come on, brother. Are you not being too fast?
No, I'm not. She's my choice of woman, and nothing will stop me from getting married to her.
It's okay. That's what you want. It's okay. Please. I don't want to do this. No, we have been tasked with fights.
Yeah, I know.
Keep trying.
Mercy has left. And her mother doesn't want to see me at all. I know it's all because of that guy that always comes to visit them. What do I do now? Hey, Mercy, why are you doing me like this? You promised me that you'll never leave me.
I just greeted you. You're asking me what it is.
Ebere, please. I don't have time for your stupidity now. Please just leave me alone. I beg you.
Odinaka, look at you. Just take a quick look at you. Seated here all by yourself. Kamjugoti, where is your Umasi? Is she not supposed to be with you? Oh! The expression on your face says it all. It says that all is not well.
Ebere, I will not repeat myself. Leave this place or my action, you will not like it.
Okay, Mbuto. Why yo? I will leave. Oh? But I will not stop laughing at your foolishness.
Ebere, leave here now.
I will leave. You think she loves
But I said leave here now if I descend on you. What's your problem?
I will leave. Oh? I will leave. Get love.
Mercy, this is your fault. I didn't mean you kept your promise. Like this girl will have the right to do something.
My sweet friend, let me see what you have in your phone. Should I start with the pictures? Yes, pictures. Nothing of interest in the picture gallery. Okay, I'll check the voice record. No voice record. Should I check the videos? I'll do that. sure this isn't Collie's phone? This is her phone now, huh? Okay. Maybe I will check other files and see. She doesn't even have anything against me after all. Maybe I should check other files. Thank you. What do you want?
I'm here to see Prince, your son.
Excuse me? Who are you? Who are you?
Hold it there. Do you think I'm stupid?
What are you talking about? I've been calling you.
You've been calling who? Well, for your information, they have the wrong phone. You know, I even think you were smart. But I never knew you were this stupid and foolish.
How dare you? How dare you? Before me, you insult the prince. Are you mad? Are you mad?
You have just 2 days. 2 days to return my phone. Else, I'll get the police involved in this.
Donna, what was the meaning of that drama?
Mother, you shouldn't have slapped her.
What do you mean by that? Oh, you are still dating her?
There was never a time I dated her. She was here for something very important to me.
And what is that?
That is my business, Mother. It's yours. Excuse me.
Odonna, please leave my way.
Collie, I'm sorry for my mother's action.
Get out of my way.
Collie, please, listen to me.
I cannot stand here and listen to your lies, Odonna. You sent those men to kidnap me. Oh, do you think I can be that stupid to have left the proof inside that phone after I must have disclosed to you that the proof was in there?
So, some men kidnapped you?
I didn't send anyone after you. I wouldn't have done a thing like that.
Oh, you're begging me now because you have found out that you have the wrong phone.
I still don't know what you're talking about. I did not send anyone after you.
Fine. Udonna, leave my way.
Uncle, I'm telling you the truth. I will not do such a thing. Believe me.
Udonna, remember to return my phone if you don't want to see the other side of me. Excuse me.
Nkoli. They kidnapped her. This is so complicated.
Emeka, there's no information of my interest in that phone. Your boys must have collected the wrong phone.
But you confirmed to me that the phone belongs to your friend.
How come there's no information in it? How come? Oh, is it that she had another phone with her and they were unable to discover that phone?
Come to think of it, your friend might be lying.
How?
She might have nothing incriminating or something to implicate you on that phone. She's just saying all that to pull your legs.
I know my friend very well. She can't just open mouth and start saying rubbish. You know what? You have to repeat the job. I don't care. Whatever it will take, I must get that information she talked about.
If I have to repeat that job, that means you pay me more money.
Money is not the problem. I'll give you excess money.
Good and fine, I'm game.
She said they took the phone from her.
Yes, but that wasn't the phone that contains the proof.
Hey, who would have done that?
I don't know. I can't tell. She refused to listen to me because she believed I did it.
No. Lucy has a hand in this. Yes.
Well, why do you say that?
Colin must have told her about it out of anger.
No, I don't think it's possible.
Come on. Are you the one saying this? You know who Lucy is. Think about it. We need to do something and fast.
My suspect still remains Lucy. I need to get to the root of this.
Have you really found out from your brother why Nkoli came here this afternoon?
Mother, I've not.
Really?
Yes.
Which means you have not asked him.
Well, Mother, I did. I asked him, but he didn't say anything.
Chisaram, I am too old for you to deceive me.
Why are you talking like this now? What's the meaning of this thing you're saying?
The meaning is you have been lying to me. You have. Do you think I've not been watching both of you recently? Are you surprised? And believe me, you have been hiding something from me, Zaram.
But I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not hiding anything. We are not hiding anything.
It's all right. Keep lying, my daughter. Till the day everything will be revealed right before your eyes. That's when you will know you've been lying to your mother.
What a small world.
This place is foul.
We're almost there.
Have you heard from Nkoli again?
No. Her number is switched off. Have you forgotten the kidnappers took her phone?
Yeah. Please, we need to hurry up. When we get there, I have a plan.
You haven't told me about it.
Relax, brother. Relax, okay? I know what I'm doing.
She's a drug addict. Oh, she's a drug addict. She's hot and cold. I think we're very risky. Very risky. She's a drug addict.
You mean he went to Aminu community again? Who is he with? A lady? Okay. Can you describe her for me? I want you to keep your eyes on them. Okay. What about the other job? Your boys are on it? Okay. I'll call you back later. I think it's time I found out who this particular lady is to do.
God you let her escape? Didn't you see what happened? She ran before I could come out of the car. She must have recognized our car and ran off.
Do you know what it took us to locate her? What rubbish is this?
Let's leave here now. She might allow some people that will come after us.
What are we going to tell her, Meka?
Leave here first.
Man, don't enter.
Mama. Gini.
It's in our house.
Who?
Udonna.
Is that why you ran away?
Oh, no. I said, let me come and call you. Besides, he's in our house with someone else.
With who?
His sister.
Let's go. Let's go.
Mama, what if he comes up with that question again?
If he does now, you say yes. Let's go. Guano. What is the bottle? Why, fella? Your mama. Beba.
This lover got up line. Okay, just be careful.
Okay, no problem. I'll call you as soon as possible.
It's alright, I'll hang around then. Okay then.
Is there?
I don't know. Unknown number. Hello?
Hello, Donna. This is Nkoli.
Nkoli, where are you?
Do not bother about my whereabouts. Why did you send those kidnappers after my life for the second time?
Kidnappers again? Nkoli, seriously, I think someone else must be doing this. I have no hand in it. Trust me.
You lie a lot, Udonna. You sent your men after my life. After I must have told you that the phone you had does not contain the proof you're looking for.
Nkoli, I'm telling you the truth. I didn't do such.
Well, I will not stop until you stop sending assassins after my life.
Where are you now?
I do not have any business with you, Udonna. As for the proof, I am going to destroy it. So please, Udonna, leave me alone. Stop threatening my life.
No, Nkoli, please, I'm begging you with God's name. That evidence is all I have. Please. Please. One more threat on you, I'm going to call the police.
Oh, that is why you wanted the proof by all means. Well, I am no longer interested. I'm sorry. Have a nice day, Udonna.
Nkoli, just tell me where you are. Hello? Hello?
Jesus Christ. Thank God I was able to recognize their car. I mean, these people would have collected the right phone from me.
This love will go by heart. Aqua be gone kili. Obi sari. Oya be abia cha. Obi sari. Oya wala be madu kana cha. Be understanding. Never lose yourself. Be kind. Be love. Oya wala be madu kana cha. Be understanding. Never lose yourself. Be kind. Be love.
Mama, what is it?
He called.
Oh.
Udonna.
Is that why you're worried? Or did he say anything bad to you?
No, he didn't.
So what's the problem?
He said he's coming to our house and that he's going to spend the night here.
Are you sure you heard him right?
I heard him loud and clear.
Well, go and clean your room. Wash your bed sheets, okay? Then dust everywhere. Come on.
I'm worried.
Go now. Go.